Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Friday, September 18th, 2020, okay? And the signal I decided to share for you is for CADJPY, okay? Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. And if we look here on the 4-hour chart, we have what I call a double bottom or double support. Now, I've been watching this for the last few hours, kind of see what's going on. And we see the price that come down, hit this support, bounce back up, and then came back down again. Okay, now it's hit the same level of support, and it looks like he's getting ready to bounce back up. Okay, this indicator has not repainted. Okay, I wanted to make sure it didn't repaint before I made this video, which is a good sign that it's going to be going up. Now, this current candle, you can see it's been moving up and down, not very far, but it's kind of just teeter-tottering right now, which means there's a lot of indecision in the market right now. Okay, and that's good because that typically means there's going to be a reversal. Okay, and that's what we're looking for here. Okay, we're looking for this price to go back up. All right, so that's okay. Now I would not place a buy trade right away. Okay, instead, here's what we can do. Typically, I'll tell you to draw a trend line or draw a Fibonacci, but in this case, this is pretty simple. Okay, we look right here. We have a top of this wick. We have what's called a resistance. Okay, that marks a high point, and that's just naturally occurring, right? And or maybe it's rigged or the market. I don't know, but either way, we have a resistance right here. Now we look in the past. We can see that the price had come down, and hit a support here, and then broke, hit a resistance, dropped, hit the same resistance. So whenever a support is broken, it becomes a resistance, and vice versa. And we look in the past, and we see it almost hit a support here and hit a resistance, support. So this is a pretty strong level of support and resistance right now. Now, what we're looking for in this particular case is for that resistance to break and go to the next resistance, which I don't know. That's going to be impossible to say exactly where it's going to go. But here's what we do know. Okay, we have a resistance here, here. You know, we have a resistance here. We have different levels of resistance if you look at all these wicks of these candles. So eventually it will go back up to all these levels. All right. Now, typically what we're looking for from day-to-day trading is about a 500, maybe 600 pip travel. Okay, we don't want to have trades open for weeks at a time. Now, you can do that if you want, but that's not my recommendation. Okay, my recommendation is to have many different trades open and close within a relatively short period of time, maybe a couple of days. Okay, this way you can avoid a lot of swap fees. All right, so what we're looking for, if I get the crosshairs, okay, we come here where we are right here at this resistance, and we look up for about 500. This is 500, 600 pips. So we have a strong resistance right here that we can mark. Okay. And if we look in the past, we see that was a support, resistance, you know, price that dropped here, formed a support, broke, formed a resistance, etc., etc. Resistance here, support. So this is a pretty strong level of support and resistance also. Okay. So what I feel is going to happen, once this breaks, it's going to shoot up to this level. It might take a couple of days, but that's okay. All right. So what we need to do here in this particular case is we're going to draw we're going to create a pennant order. Okay, in particular a buy stop pennant order. Okay, and we're going to put the buy stop above right here. Okay, usually about 100 pips or so above this resistance, and then we're going to put a take profit. You know, I like to put about 200 pips below. That way we can ensure that take profit actually gets hit within a decent amount of time. So if we go new order, I'm going to place a new order. Okay, this is how you place a trade, and go over here to market execution and change that to pennant order. All right, and the type of order, we're going to change it from buy limit to buy stop right here. Okay, and the at price, I'm just going to pick a price that's a little ways above, and we have a marker right here that says 79.855. So I'm just going to pick 79.850 just to kind of make it even. And for take profit, I'm going to put a take profit up here, and I'm just going to put 80.250. Okay, again, make it even. and I don't want to take profit too close to this blue line here. Okay, so now I'm going to place it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks pretty good. Like I said, I got probably about 100 pip travel here, maybe not exactly, but close to it, and then about double that here. Okay, and if we look at the take profit, it shows I got 400 pips and profit waiting for me. Okay, so that's good. Okay, now once, it might take a couple of days for this to actually activate, and then once it activates, it's going to take another couple of days for it to close. Okay, so this is not like you're gonna place a trade today and tomorrow make money, but it's okay. Be looking for sometime next week. Today's Friday, so there's no way in the world this is even going to activate today. Probably Monday or Tuesday this will activate, and then you should see by like Thursday or Friday next week for this to close. Okay, so this is a good trade to set up for next week, and you'll have a decent amount of profit for 1 week, and that's only one trade. Imagine if you have multiple trades like this. Okay, so anyhow, that's my free daily signal for today. CADJPY, so buy. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments about this particular signal or any of my other Telegram signals that I post every single day. If you have not joined my Telegram signal group, please contact me on Facebook so I can get you added right away. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can request to join my Facebook group. Post any questions or comments in my group, and then this way, myself or other traders, we'll be happy to assist you, and we can all collaborate as a team. Okay, that's the reason I have that group. All right, so with that said, I look forward to helping you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.